Hello student, this is Sangeeta Vishwakarma. Welcome to all concepts of chemistry. In our last classes, we did so many topics of the 9th and 10th classes. But today's topic, it's a very important topic, and somehow for some students, it's very difficult. But today we are going to start in a different way so that it will be very interesting and very easy for you. So let's start. There are units. Kilometer, actually these units are distance unit. First is kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter, right? These are the symbols: kilometer km, hectometer hm, decameter dm, meter m, decimeter dm, centimeter cm and millimeter mm. Meter is also known as unit. It's depend on you. To learn this sequence, I made two taglines. It will be very helpful for you. It's depend on you which taglines you want to learn. First, this side, K, kal, hecto, he, देखा, मीटर मैंने, दादी को मेहरौली में, राइट? कल ही देखा मैंने दादी को मेहरौली में. अनदर टैगलाइन इज देयर, कल हम दोनों मिले दिल्ली कॉलेज में. It's a simple to learn the proper sequence of these units, and it will definitely help you to retain long lasting for these concepts. To solve this type of the questions, we have two simple steps. Step number 1. If we go from top to bottom, right? We try to understand this with an example like kilometer to meter. We are going from top to down. So first see where is a kilometer here. Then how many steps will go down? 1, 2 and 3. It's a conversion of kilometer to meter. Just do one thing. Just multiply this kilometer values by putting 1 here and then note down how many steps. Step 1, 2 and 3. 3 steps. Then put 30 here. Right? It's 1000. So simply multiply this value by thousands. Then we will change into meter. Now we'll again understand with the help of the example. Suppose 5 kilometer into meter. Then 5. When we convert into meter, how many steps will go down? 1, 2 and 3. 3 steps. Then multiply 1. 1 is default. Then how many 0? 1, 2 and 3. It's 5000 meter. Let's see another example. Suppose hectometer to millimeter. We want to convert 7.2 hectometer into millimeter. Millimeter. In that case, same procedure will apply. Hectometer is here. So leave this step, right? And count the downward steps 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many steps will go down? 5 steps, right? So same, multiply this value by 1 is default. Then how many steps? 5 steps. Then put 50 here. Is it clear? Then your answer will be 7.2 into 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then answer should be 7, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Your answer will be this one. Millimeter. I hope it will be very clear for you, and it's a simple way to learn this method. Now step 2. If we are going from bottom to top, that means these values are smaller, and these are bigger values. So now we want to go from smaller value to higher values, bigger values. In that case, we'll try to understand again by this an example. Suppose millimeter we want to convert into meter, right? So in that case, what will we do? Same, leave this step because we want to convert this one. Then after that, count how many steps will be up. 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 steps. Will go upside. Right? If you go from lower to higher, then we have to need to divide by this. Right? And divide. Which value we have to divide? 1 is default by how many steps will go upsides? 3. 1, 2 and 3. So this value will be divided by 1000. So that it will be the actual conversion of millimeter to meter. So we'll try to understand this with the help of an example. We'll take millimeter. 10 millimeter into meter. So millimeter, leave this step. 1, 2 and 3 same. So this value will be divided by 1000 because we'll go upside 3 steps. That means 1000. So your value will be 10 divided by thousands. 0 to 0. Your answer will be 0.001. Got it? That means your answer will be point, after point 2 values will be there. This meter. So many questions. It's not depend millimeter to hectometer, decameter. You can convert millimeter to centimeter also. Another example, millimeter to centimeter. Only one step will go upside. So 10 millimeter into centimeter. Then we have to divide by this value. Centimeter is a one step, then 10. So 10 centimeter will be 1 centimeter. So now I am giving you 2 questions. You have to convert. It's a homework and you have to give answer in comment section. 2.2 decameter into millimeter. And second question, 10 centimeter into kilometer. Just write answers in a comment section, right? Note down one important thing. If area is given in any question in meter square, right? Suppose 100 meter square area, then you have to convert into centimeter square. Then what will you do? First, write 100 meter square. So you know when meter convert into centimeter, then meter is here and centimeter is here. 2 steps down, that means we have to multiply by 100. So write this value and meter will be changed first in centimeter, then 100 centimeter square. Then your answers will be 10,000 centimeter square. First convert the unit and then calculate it. In respect of the mass, there is a distance in respect of mass. We'll do the same steps according to the distance. Is a kilometer, is a kilometer, it's a kilogram. Hectometer, hectogram. See this one. That unit, distance meter, then mass unit gram. Then decameter, decagram. Meter, gram. Centimeter, centigram. Decameter, decagram. Millimeter, milligram. So same steps will be followed by you if you want to change the mass unit into mass unit to different mass unit. See the example. 500 kilogram into milligram. Milligram. Then what will you do? It's a kilogram. Kilogram is here. Now milligram. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 steps down. So same way we are going from top to bottom. That means higher values to lower values. So in that case, we'll have to multiply by this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then put here 6 0. Right? Then your answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And right? If you want to change from bottom to top, that means smaller value to higher value. You want to convert, suppose centigram, 100 centigram into 1.1 centigram into 1.25 centigram into hectogram. You can write Hg also, right? Hectogram. Then what will we do? Where is the centigram? Here. Then see how many steps you will upside. 1, 2, 3 and 4. You have to go 4 steps up down. So 1.25 cz. When we go smaller unit to higher unit, in that case you have to divide. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10 raised to power 4. You have to divide this value. So 1.25 into this value. 1.25. When this value will go upside, the power will be negative. Right? So that means this point should be shifted 4 point here. The value will be 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 and 4 here. Point will be here. Your answer will be hectogram in this way. Right? So I hope आपको आज का ये लेक्चर बहुत अच्छे से समझ आया होगा. Definitely आना भी चाहिए. It's the simplest way to convert all the units. It may be a distance, it may be a masses. All unit can convert by this method easily. और अगर आपको अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज डू लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. टिल देन